Hi everyone, I'm Adam and this is Living with a Classic. Today we're having a look at one of my favorite Jags, the almighty XJS. The XJS was launched in 1975 to replace the aging E-Type. It stayed in production almost unchanged until 1996, going through several variations. In 1981, the V12 was redesigned with new H&E heads. The car got new bumpers and a more traditional interior. This version was produced for 10 years with hardly any changes except the release of the XJS Targa and later the convertible. The last 5 years are known as the facelift years. This introduced a new, more modern styling and 2 new engines, the later 4-liter straight 6 and the 6-liter V12. Let's go for a ride in this beautiful V12 example. This particular XJS is a 91 V12 convertible classic collection. It's done about 61,000 miles, has had no work done to it in form of restoration. Everything is just completely original. In 1988, Jaguar finally launched a convertible version of the now 13-year-old XJS. There was the XJS C before this, which was a Targa, and a few coach-built convertibles, but these are rare. This example has the 5.3-liter HE V12 engine. With the redesigned Fireball combustion chambers by Michael May, the fuel consumption was improved and the engine now produced 295 horsepower. This may not sound like a lot by today's standards, but compared to one of its rivals of the time, the BMW 635, it has almost 100 more horsepower and heaps more torque. The interior of the XJS is where the car feels truly special. It has a unique mixture of old school wood and leather with modern functions. Electric mirrors, heated seats, electric windows and top, cruise control and trip computer. All of this is standard equipment on any car today, but over 30 years ago, this was luxurious and it still feels so today. You feel very special when you step into an XJS. So is the XJS a classic? It most definitely is. The underdog that's been stuck between the E-Type and the XK8 is finally getting the love it deserves. It's a design that's aged very well, it's instantly recognizable, and it's a classic that's really useful. You can drive it anywhere you want and you'll get there comfortably, smoothly, and you'll arrive in style. So why not pick up an XJS before they become like the Series 1 E-Types, unobtainable? Because the XJS is not a future classic. It's a present one. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up button and share this video. For more content on the beautiful XJS and other classics, please subscribe. See you in the next video.